Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to draw a truck, a construction truck. So this is a stencil. I'm going to hold it down with one hand, nice and steady, and trace it. Great. So here's a circle, and I'm going to trace a circle for the tires, and here's a diagonal line using a ruler. I'm going to draw a cross, and that's a horizontal line. Awesome. Here's a window. I'm kind of copying the frame of the truck. I'm going to add details by adding a rectangle there, drop my line down as a diagonal line, and another horizontal line. Awesome. Ooh, inside the circle I'm going to draw another circle for the tire. And yep, let's go ahead and outline it with a marker. Choose your lines. Make sure you just use what lines you want to use, or use a ruler if you need to. Great. I think I'm ready now to add a few more details. Color it in with some crayons. Really press down hard. You can choose whatever colors you want. I've decided to use yellow and black for the tires. Yep. What else can I do? Ooh. Yeah, I'm going to draw lightly here so it's more of a gray. So that was a choice to make it a little bit lighter. And here's blue for the window. And here's a horizontal line for the road. So I'm going to go ahead and cover that with a marker and then fill it in using some blue. You can also draw the sky with a sun and maybe some clouds. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Enjoy.